Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Moon. We got a beautiful episode for you today. We got to take some deep breaths, play some soothing sounds, have some positive affirmations, and let's see if we can go beyond some of these worries, insecurities, anxieties, tensions, anger, into more trust in the unfolding of life. That being said, get into a comfortable seated position, or you can lie down, putting distractions to the side. Being sure that your spine is as straight as possible, chin slightly up, shoulders away from the ears, relaxing the belly, becoming aware of your space, your surroundings, any smell, becoming aware of sight, really looking without judgment at your surroundings. And closing the eyes, bringing the attention inwards, noticing how you feel in this moment. Tired, restless, energetic, anxious, worried. If you're anything like me, you can feel worry from time to time about things that may not even be in your control. Coming back to what's in our hands, like our breath. Becoming aware of our old friend breath. So you take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Letting the eyes be closed. Taking a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy through the nose. And exhale, releasing the past as you exhale. Letting go of past mistakes, past hurt. What's past is past. Turning the page. New opportunities to create. New opportunities to forgive. To go beyond the pain. Taking a breath in and a breath out. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling self-hatred, letting it go. Letting go of shame, letting go of guilt, coming back into trust. Trusting that you're where you're supposed to be and that life is unfolding as it should. Relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead. relaxing your belly. Opening your heart to blessings that is already here. If you're healthy, feeling gratitude for your health. If you have people in your life that you love, feeling grateful for these people. Taking a breath in through the nose. And exhaling out the mouth. Breathing in. And exhale, releasing, letting go. Inhale. Exhale. Taking a deep breath in. And exhaling, letting go. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhaling even slower, even softer. Relaxing the belly. Coming back into trust, coming back into love. Not giving energy to all the criticism inside, all the hatred inside. We can be so hard on ourselves. Having forgiveness for yourself for the mistakes, shortcomings, failures that have been had. Recognizing that it's a new moment. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Let it go. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. Hold the breath at the top. Continuing to hold the breath as you become aware of the silence. Exhale. Looking inwards, observing the movement of your thoughts, letting your mind be free to think. As you very gently, very lovingly observe, listen. Very nice, my friend. Way to stick with it. Letting go of thoughts, coming back into your body, coming back into your posture, and back into this present moment. Letting go of future. Letting go of trying to solve anything, trying to plan for anything. Recognizing that all of that can be done later. For now, just relaxing into the moment. Letting your mind be free as you look inwards, listening, feeling, sensing, trusting. Breathing in through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly, opening your heart. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day. It won't always be that way. Taking a deep breath in and exhaling any worries, feeling worry and negativity. Leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in joyfulness and exhaling insecurities. Letting go of insecurities. Most of the insecurities are just not even worth it. Breathing in through the nose, holding at the top, and exhale. Breathing in through the nose, holding, and exhale. Letting go of all the air in your lungs. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the face. Relaxing your eyes, relaxing your heart, relaxing your mind, feeling rooted in this moment. For 5 seconds, I want you just to be totally present, starting now. Color for today. Are you ready for it? The color for today is indigo. The number is 0. And the animal is a gazelle. I thank you for joining me across time and space. Taking one last deep breath for now. Hold. And exhale. Remembering how strong you are, how you can overcome obstacles by just believing, by having faith in yourself, by having trust. You can overcome the obstacles that lie in front of you. You can let go of insecurities. You can let go of fear and hatred and anger. Come back to compassion, patience, tolerance, love, acceptance. Remember this word for today, acceptance. Accept other people as they are. Enjoy them as they are. Enjoy yourself as you are. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love, of resources, of prosperity, of health, of wealth, of friendship, of laughter. If you're going through something, you're struggling, want extra support, don't hesitate to reach out. And we can see if we can work together and improve mental, emotional, spiritual health. Do all that we can with people of all ages. And we're serving families blessed by autism at moneybackmindfulness.com. Feel free to check it out. Wishing you a beautiful day, my friend. Thank you for being with me today. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.